everyone. So I just made butter noodles in my, microwave. This is what they look like. If you want a tutorial, I will show y'all. So yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to season it and do butter noodles, I guess. Let's go. Okay, so we have our noodles. First thing we're gonna do is put butter in it because butter noodles. You can't have butter noodles without butter. So we're gonna start off with just a little bit, like that much. And then we're gonna put, that more. And I need to put a new slice of butter in our butter thingy. So BRB. Okay, so I got my butter in. This is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it like this. And as you see, there's still butter on here. So you can just scrape it off the side. And then you can run it in. Sorry, I'm doing this like upside down, so it's kind of hard. So. Okay, the next thing we're gonna use is some garlic salt. I put a lot, yes. But that's how much I really like. So now we're just gonna mix it. And if you want it, whenever like you're doing it at the beginning and you want to leave a little bit of water in it and then put milk in it, I mean, you could do that too, but I'm not a fan. Anyways, now I'm gonna try it. Kind of scared. That's good. That was it. Bye.